At Elite Automation, precision is our passion and partnership is our promise. With over 25 years of hands-on experience designing and manufacturing complex weld fixtures, we don't just build, we empower your production. And when things don't go as planned, we're ready. Our 24/7 remote support team is on standby to troubleshoot issues like power clamps, valve banks, or sequencing problems, keeping your production line moving. We offer flexibility and durability with a range of materials, including carbon steel, copper, and elkonite. Whether you need rigid plumbing, flexible plumbing, or pneumatic systems, we tailor every solution to your specific needs. From base plates to fully assembled CMM verified weld fixtures, we deliver end-to-end solutions that meet the highest standards of quality. Our delivery timeline is as sharp as our precision. From PO to delivery in just 12 weeks, you can count on us to stay on schedule. At Elite, quality isn't just a goal, it's a guarantee. Need adjustments or rework? We'll provide new detailing at no additional cost. That's the Elite commitment. Why settle for anything less than the best? Partner with Elite Automation, where precision meets partnership. Contact us today.